guys! Welcome to my class. Our topic for today is about equations. You are going to learn it here, the easy way. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe so that you will be kept updated on the next math lesson. Then like and share so that you can also help other students. We are going to learn today how to solve addition and subtraction equations mentally. And we are going to learn also how to solve multiplication and division equations mentally. Equation is a mathematical statement where the values of two expressions are equal. To solve is to find the explanation of or answer to the problem. And solution is the means of dealing with the situation or solving the problem. Let us work on this example so that you will be guided. Find the solution of the equation p plus 12 is equal to 38. Let us write the equation p plus 12 is equal to 38 below so that we can work on it. You can see that we have an addition here. If we have addition in the given equation, we're going to use the subtraction property of equality. Accordingly, we're going to subtract 12 from both sides of the equation. And we can cancel out the 12 on the left side of the equation, leaving letter p. Letter p is the variable that we're going to solve so that we can find the solution for the equation. Therefore, p is equal to 38 minus 12, and it will give us 26. Accordingly, the variable p is equal to 26. Let us check if our solution is correct. We're going to rewrite the equation p plus 12 is equal to 38. Then, we're going to substitute the value of p in the equation. Correspondingly, it will give us 26 plus 12 is equal to 38. Since we come up with both sides of the equation that is equal to 38, then our solution is correct. It is easy, right? Let us work on another example so that you can understand it well. Find the solution of the equation 42 minus w is equal to 24. Let us rewrite the equation so that we can start working on it. Therefore, 42 minus w is equal to 24. You can see that we have subtraction in the equation. Since we have subtraction in the given equation, we're going to use the addition property of equality. Therefore, we're going to add w on both sides of the equation. And we can cancel out the w on the left side of the equation. Subsequently, it will give us the equation 42 is equal to 24 plus w. On this event, we can subtract the 24 on both sides of the equation. And we can cancel out the 24 on the right side. Correspondingly, it will give us 42 minus 24 is 18. Therefore, w is equal to 18. Let us rewrite the given equation again so that we can check it. 42 minus w is equal to 24. Then, we are going to substitute the value of w in the given equation. And it will give us 42 minus 18 is equal to 24. And we can come up with both sides of the equation that is equal to 24. Therefore, our solution is correct. On this account, we have learned how to solve addition and subtraction equation mentally. It is easy, right? Let us start studying how to solve multiplication and division equation mentally. Let us work on this example so that you can perfectly understand the lesson. Find the solution of the equation 3y is equal to 45. Let us rewrite the equation below so that we can start working on it. In the equation 3y is equal to 45, there is multiplication. 3 is multiplied with the variable y. If we have multiplication in our equation, we're going to use the division property of equality. We're going to divide both sides of the equation by 3. And we can cancel out the 3 on the left side of the equation, which will leave letter y. which is the variable. Therefore, 45 divided by 3 will give us 15. Y is equal to 15. Let us check if our solution is correct. We're going to rewrite the equation 3y is equal to 45. Then, substitute the value of y in the given equation. Therefore, it will give us 3 times 15 is equal to 45. On this account, we have come up with both sides of the equation that is equal to 45. Therefore, our solution is correct. Let us work on another example so that you can hit it off. Find the solution of the equation b over 4 is equal to 23. We are going to rewrite b over 4 is equal to 23. You can see that there is division. So, what are we going to do? We are going to multiply both sides of the equation with the denominator 4. And we can cancel out the 4 on the left side of the equation, giving us 23 times 4. Accordingly, d is equal to 92. Let us rewrite the equation again so that we can check if our solution is correct. Accordingly, d over 4 is equal to 23. We are going to substitute the value of d in the equation, and it will give us 92 divided by 4 is equal to 23. Since we come up with both sides of the equation that is equal to 23, therefore our solution is correct. On this account, we have met our goal for today's lesson. We have learned how to solve addition and subtraction equations mentally. And we have learned also how to solve multiplication and division equations mentally. It is easy, right? To wrap it up in finding the solution of the equation with addition, we're going to use the subtraction property of equality so that we can solve for the solution. Likewise, if the equation has subtraction, we're going to use the addition property of equality so that we can solve for the solution. However, if the equation has multiplication, we're going to use the division property of equality. Moreover, if the equation has division, we're going to use the multiplication property of equality. It is easy, right? To conclude our lesson for today, I want you to always remember what His Highness Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan, may his soul rest in peace, wrote for us. Education is like a lantern which lights your way in a dark alley. Sheikh Zayed wrote and left this quote for us because he wanted the youth to give importance to education. His quote will handed down from generation to generation. Still, the genuine concern of Sheikh Zayed for his nation will always remain. And the pure desire of Sheikh Zayed's heart will surely be realized in the succeeding generation. And to wind up our lesson for today, I want you to always remember that life is a math equation. You cannot get the most of it if you cannot convert the negatives into positive. I do hope you have learned a lot for today's lesson and you find it easy, okay? Till next math lesson! Catch you later, guys! See ya! You can visit Math Brainiacs for more lessons, okay? See you there!